This is the hair. See the hair. Do you like it? I know you like it. See the hair. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nony. How are you doing, guys? I'm really happy for your support. I really liked the way you guys bombarded my locks video. Please just keep the energy. I really love it. Imagine small me getting 3k views, and you know I've already hit 100 subscribers, but I'm going to be creating a video. Let's not just shout about it before some people will go and unfollow and be unsubscribed. That's why I'm not even talking about it. So in this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make this hair. I'm going to be showing you how I've been trying to maintain my hair, you know, because of the whole lice infection and everything, right? So just stay tuned and watch the video, okay? Bye. Guys, so I'm about detoxing my hair. So I'm going to use apple cider vinegar and I'm using baking soda, okay? So this is what I do. I just take my baking soda. Just use my measuring cup, and I'm going to use 1 full spoon of this. Okay, sometimes I just do 1.5 because I want to use it on my hair for the lice. This is just the maintenance treatment. I'm about washing my hair, so I was advised to do this. This is my second time of doing this right now, so I'll just take the baking soda. This is baking soda. I'm going to use this small spoon here to take. So yeah, I'm taking. See, I'm going to use 2 of this on my hair. Guys, this thing is highly, in fact, it's very painful. This thing is very painful. It's hot on the hair, so I'm just going to use this to apply all over my hair. Okay, so I'll use it all over my hair. When I apply it on my hair, I'm going to cover my hair for a while, and then I'm going to wash it out. Okay. Hi guys, so this is what I usually use on my hair. This is like my treatment for my hair. So I use rose water, I use tea tree essential oil, and then I use peppermint oil. So this is how I do it. This is a 100 ml bottle, so I just take rose water. Most of the times I finish up this full bottle in 1 week. So I just fill my water. I usually spray this thing on my hair every week. In fact, every day. Sorry, I said every week. I spray it on my hair every day. So this is the 100 ml of rose water, right? This is 100 ml of rose water. I'll just take few drops of tea tree essential oil and few drops of lavender peppermint essential oil. So this is it. I'm taking 10 drops. 10 drops of each oil. Yeah, so this thing smells really good. So this is it. I'll just shake. What I do is I shake and then I spray on my hair every morning. Okay, this is it. Tea tree essential oil and rose water. Guys, so this is what the hair looks like. See my locks, really flourishing. So this is the extension I used for the hair. I don't know what they call this color, Shabo is Superstar nonyorjiako or something, I don't know, or Lush. So this is how the stylist started the hair. We used 3 locks per braid, so she was able to separate the locks, like 1 lock for one side of the attachment, and this is how she braided it. So this style is called box braid. This is not a knotless braid, okay? So this style is box braid. Honestly, this hair was a little bit painful because of the tightness, like because we're holding down 3 locks. Not like it was tight, it wasn't tight, but maybe because I have low threshold for braids, like pins that come with hair, probably that's why I felt like it was a little bit painful, which is highly bearable. Okay, so this is the stylist still trying to attach the extension and to make the box braid. My grade was really good, so it wasn't really difficult for her to part the hair. According to her, she said the grade of my locks was really good and my scalp was still clean. We also checked again for lice and we did not see any lice. So this is like the 3rd time I'm checking after that treatment to check and to see if I still have lice, and no lice was found on my hair. So guys, I am lice free. I'm 100% lice free. Thank God. So yeah, this is Hasti trying to make the hair. We did this for hours and we ended. So on the second day we continued. So on the day 2 it was remaining just one braids, as you can see on the front here. So yeah, we finished it. We now started the styling. We did the whole tying. She used some threads to do the tying, but before that we trimmed the hair. She was careful not to cut my locks when she was trimming. She just cut only the excess extension that was out. After that we used the hot water treatment to straighten the hair, make it smooth and all of that. After straightening, she didn't straighten the tips. We left the tips because we had plans of coiling the tips. So yeah, this is the method she used in coiling the tips. She used thread to tie it and then pulled a knot. Here, this is her pulling the knot. She pulled the knot. We had to soak this whole thing in very hot water again. We brought it out. The hot water didn't pour my body. I was super scared that it was going to touch my skin, but yeah, it didn't touch my skin. Nothing happened to me. And this is the beautiful coils that we got after the whole process, guys. I really love my hair. So this is the hair. See the hair. This is the tips. Remember when she was tying it with that rope, right? This is what we finally got. So this is the box braid. I didn't count it. There's really no need of counting. But I think she was joining 2 or 3. I'm not so sure, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I think I'll carry it for 2-3 weeks. I don't know, it depends on how fast my hair comes out. But yeah, this is the hair. Hope you love it. Please try to like my videos, subscribe if you've not subscribed, share the videos, comment, in fact just engage my videos. Okay, thank you so much for your support. See you in my next video. Bye.